Want to see how I do my makeup for a formal event? Start with skincare and primer, and apply a soft black eyeliner. You need to line your inner and outer eyes for an intensified look. Mas mabuti gawin to kasi maganda yung kakalabasan, dramatic. Then you need to apply an eye primer or a concealer for the eyeshadow base. Ginagawa ko to para magtagal yung eye makeup. Apply a matte beige eyeshadow. Then apply a matte taupe or a neutral brown eyeshadow. Just blend it together with the eyeliner. Then apply a shimmer dark brown eyeshadow. I'm blending it outward and upward to avoid drooping. Itong technique na to ay maganda para sa mga deep set and mga droopy eyes. Then apply a matte dark brown eyeshadow or any color that is closest to black. Then apply a semi-matte liquid foundation and blend it with your fingers. Para sa akin, mas best pa rin yung nagbe-blend ka ng foundation using your fingers. Apply liquid concealer to clean the eye areas. Then brush a loose translucent powder for baking. Brush with a brow styling soap or a brow gel. Then fill in your brows with a medium brown eyebrow gel. Dito sa look na to, mas mabuti na medyo dramatic yung eyebrows and medyo full. Contour with cream makeup. Usually, it's a shade or two darker than your skin tone. Sorry, I can't control my face, but this is how I usually do my contouring. Yung nose line ko dito, talagang biniblend ko ng maigi kasi ayoko talaga yung kitang-kita yung linya. Tapos, biniblend ko na lang ng fingers ko para mas mukhang natural. Then you have to curl your lashes. Attach wispy long false eyelashes for a more dramatic effect. Now draw a black winged eyeliner. Then use a bronzer. Shimmer light gold or shimmer champagne eyeshadow for the inner corners and inner areas of your eyes. Loose translucent powder again for baking. Then line your lips with a nude lip liner. For this makeup look, I'd like to apply a nude bronze lip color. Then, it's time to blend the baking powder. Mas maganda yung nagbe-bake ka ng powder para mas flawless and para mag-set yung makeup. Apply highlighter on the tip of the nose, on the nose bridge, and on the highest planes of your cheeks. Let's check the overall look when the hair is fixed.
Oh my God! Wow!
This makeup is best paired with a nude bronze or a warm red lip color. Thank you so much. I hope you liked this video. Bye!